you're saying corrections like we're seeing right now, this is actually the best time to invest in disruptive technologies? What do you mean?
Absolutely. During times of corrections, when the pressure's on, when the markets are unsettled, the economy's unsettled, people are fearful, CEOs and CFOs start thinking about cutting costs, increasing productivity, new products, new services, and it plays right into the hands of disruptive innovation.
So, Matt, would you espouse such a rosy-eyed view?
No, I mean, look, Netflix has its issues. Bank of America raised the price tag on Netflix today to $133. But the problem is if Apple's making deals with TV execs and movie execs and they're going to start creating their own content, I'm not going to say it's going to be necessarily better than House of Cards, but it's at least some more competition there. And they've already got to deal with catastrophe over at Amazon. So a lot of companies are getting in on this game, and a lot of people are walking in front of my camera.
And Matt, I don't want to listen to you either. Let's get back to Cathie. Cathie, you think China's hard landing has already happened. Why are you so optimistic?
Well, if you look at commodity prices, it's no secret that the super cycle is over. They peaked in 2011, and they've been cut in half. And this is really all because of China. This is not a surprise. If you look at electricity and rail car loadings and so forth, the hard landing has taken place. And now they have much more room to ease than almost any other country in the world. Their short-term rates are 4.6. They've cut them 5 times. They'll continue cutting, and we think they'll get this right.
Look, I think...
Matt,
well, listen.
go ahead.
They're in a situation where their currency, we hear, may be overvalued by 20 to 30%, depending on who you're listening to on the street. Interest rates are way too high. And most of all, they've got to stamp out corruption, which they kind of did theatrically, but they definitely didn't do for real. So doing those 3 things, even alone at any time, would be difficult. But doing them all at once is going to be incredibly difficult. And the kind of turmoil that's going to put the market through, investors tell us, analysts tell us, is going to be really hard to deal with. Not the kind of thing that you bounce back from a 10% correction.